Hey guys, Ratchet in the 6th here. Today we'll be playing Ninja Race. So, I'm gonna click here. Oh shit, again? Oh my god. I gotta send my name in. I should actually put my name. Oh shit. Rahale. Yeah. Don't look at shit. What do you motherfucking like a Nick? Look, why did I click it? Ratchet. How did it know my name? 96. 96. No, erase. Erase will be like a bigger name. 90. Oh, yeah, I cannot. 96. Alright, now all done. Let's go 90 dick. I swear to God, I convince. How am I gonna get out of here? What is his name? Ninja shit? We're ninjas for days. Okay, guys, so we're gonna play this game right now. So we're gonna ready. So the controls are meant to go to run, jump, and get weapons. All right, here we go. So that's why I want you guys to watch me to play these games, or you can play any games you want to play. Like make videos of that. They have like a lot of games in the videos, like a lot. You can watch Markiplier. It's too, because I'm busy. Watch him. Fuck you, bitches. Rocket launcher, you fucking dicks. Holy shit, we show rockets. Or we jump on these shits. Whoa, oh god. Yes, I made it to the end. It's the end. That's good. That's what I did. I'm gonna call myself Ninja Warrior. That's why I want you to do. Because I'm a lot of warriors. Oh, this guy has like an armor. Look, one eye. Alright, since it is, you have completed your level. Now is comeback. Comeback. I'm already 6, but I'm 6. I mean, I'm 7, but yeah. Okay, Ratchet. It always put my name. 96 is stupid. Break. Let's go. Yeah. Select personal action. No, I'm not going that. I think we're done. I just put my name in and that's not working. Oh my god. What happened? What happened to it? Hold on. Do I have to go to the refund? Oh my god. Alright. There's nothing to do here, guys. Now I just said my name again. Oh my god. I already know. Again? No, fuck this game. Fuck it. Fuck it. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back for this. Well, it's game. No. Anyways, that game was stupid. I'm gonna download the game tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Today, I'll be I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll delete this later. After you guys leave. And see you guys next time, bitches. Suck my dude nuts.